you know, like you said, people don't really understand, like a lot of the brokers, like they know they read all these financial statements, but why are you still getting 8% when there's an option somewhere else to get 100 plus or something? But then also Kojo mentioned, it's not backed by anything. But is any of our fiat currencies backed by anything other than our loyalty? Like because we grew up knowing that these fiat currencies are essentially money, we just believe it. Like they're all made up. They could be, if they could all be cryptocurrency for all we care, because what happens when there was a financial collapse? What did they do? They just printed more money.
Yeah.
COVID happened. What did they do in America? They printed billions of dollars, and it's like they can just make more, and like there's who answers that? I mean, essentially
Yeah.
we do. We're the ones that pay because now there's going to be inflation.
Yeah.
Living costs go up. So yes, they can just print money and get themselves out of a hole, but it's like, well, the working man is the one that's going to be punished for it because you've still got your billions of dollars, and it doesn't affect you as much as it does us. Like our bottom line is a lot smaller than yours. So yeah, I mean, I think that's the nice thing about crypto is it is not understood properly, and it is going to be fought against by the guys that are so into your fiat currencies. Because I think a part of them knows, like, well, this is basically what we're doing, but it's paper money. It's, regulated, and the banks back it, everybody backs it. And if everybody switches over to cryptocurrency, they're not in charge anymore. Someone else is calling the shots. Like, and I think that's what scares them. I don't think when it gets down to the numbers and the facts, they can't deny that it's a good system and that it's a good financial way of freedom or good financial institution to use. They just don't want to use it, in my opinion, because they're not in charge anymore.